Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Some very hyperactive chickens over there. Alright, so this video is a continuation on the three centers of gravity, or the three centers model. We covered the building process for vital energy, feeling the life force outside the body, focusing the will, the breath into the stretch, into the ball, and from there whole body pore breathing, that feeling through an empty space of the body, visualizing your body as an empty vessel. And then we went into tuning the fascia to that feeling of life force so that we make an association, we build a bridge between the mind, the awareness of life force, and the stretching of the fascia to amplify the fascia. Now from here we move into touching a partner. So the same feeling that we have when we take muscle tension and pushing the joint open to relaxing into a stretch, and then we tune the stretch of the fascia through a type of relaxation to produce more of this electromagnetic feeling. We want to practice doing that in our training partner. So our partner pushes forward towards our body, we touch their bridge, and we feel the tension line that they're presenting us. They're giving us a line, and that's muscular tension from the upper circle. We touch that muscular tension, and we come into resonance with it through push our joints open onto their tension. So we're using muscle against muscle, but we're not contracting our muscle, we're just pushing our stretch out to meet them. And then once we feel that connection to their circuit of tension, we relax from the muscle into the fascia. The same feeling as relaxing fascia to life force. We relax their tension into the fascia and into the space around them. So there's two steps of relaxation: muscle fascia, fascia life force. And so you're touching your partner's tension, you relax into the fascial web, out into the space around them, into the life force feeling. The feeling you're generating inside them, that conversion of force, is identical with the feeling inside yourself with conversion of force. So when you are tuning into life force and relaxing, hanging the muscles, opening the joints, tuning the fascia into that life force feeling, the final product is the feeling in the space between your hands or around the body. Now when we touch people's tension, we convert that tension through the fascia into the life force field in exactly the same way. You're just doing it for them. And what this transformation does is it makes them float. They'll lose their balance. Once you're at this point, you can use whatever mechanical model you want. You can use dropping the hip, shunting. You can use the core, dropping the hip, stretch the spine, connect to the core. You can use a Dantian model. You can use the solar model, spinning everything around the body. You can use the Sea of Chi model and floating them inside a buoyant space. There's lots of different methods, mind, chi, body methods that you can use. They'll all work if you got this. So this is a critical door that opens up internal energy principles to work. People that figure this out, how to relax the muscle tension into the fascial tension into the life force field, can make any model work after that, because they've got the platform. They've learned how to relax between two states, and they slow it down, take it deeper, and go through a range of different processes. And they've got the master key, the law of vibration and energy between the physical, vital, and facial tension to develop further. Okay, hope this helps with your Qigong journey, and see you on the next video. Stay happy.